Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss what is the driver.find element and driver.find elements. What is the use of both methods and what is the difference between both. Okay, so before going to this topic, so if you are coming first time on my YouTube channel or you have not subscribed it, so subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when I can upload any new video, you will get the notification. Okay. Now let me start. So you can see here I have opened the wikipedia.org page. Okay. So in case if you want to get the element locators, if you want to perform any action or verification, okay, on the UI, then first of all we need to create the element locators, and then we can get the element locators, okay, object, we will element object using Selenium WebDriver function is driver dot find element. Okay, so after retrieving that function will return us the web element object, and once we will get the web element object we can perform the click action, or we want to retrieve, if we want to get the text we can retrieve that, if we want to send keys, input the text, we can do that. So first of all we need to create the element locator. Okay, I am going to create element locators for this. Okay, so this CSS I have created and then passing the a. So there are 10 elements, you can see 1 of 10. Okay, now I'm going to use the driver dot find element to get the web element object. Find element, then by dot I'm going to use the CSS, I will pass the CSS selector. Okay, so this function driver dot find element, this function will return us the web element object. Okay, now if I find this, right, so what we are getting, we are getting 10 elements. Okay, but when we are using driver dot find element, so which element we will get? Okay, here you can see I am getting 1 of 10. Here you can see 1 of 10 means there are total 10 elements we are getting. All the languages I am getting here element. Okay, so when I use the driver dot find element, so which element locator we will get? Okay, so when we are using the element driver dot find elements, so that will return as the first element object. Okay, because this is returning a single element object, so there are total 10 objects, so which objects we will get? First one. Okay, it means if I use this to click, then it will click on the English. Let me run and show you. Yeah, this is click on English, you can see English is page is open. Okay, now next there is a one more function, we can use that function, and we can use driver dot find elements. Okay, so when we can call this driver dot find elements, what it will return? This will return the list of web element object elements. Okay, so this driver dot find elements return the list of element. So currently I am getting the 10 elements by using this XPath, this CSS. So what it will do, it will return the 10 web elements object, and we can store in a list of web element. Okay, so if I click, if I uh, get the size, so let me show you. elements dot size. So what we will get? We will get 10 element. Let me comment this. So we will get here 10 elements. So first of all, if we are using driver dot find elements, that will return us first element object. And in case if we are using the driver dot find elements, this will return all the elements object. Now let me get the text by using this, and I can show you. Yeah, if we want to get the text, we can use the get text function. This will read the text, get the text from the that particular elements locator, and we can print this. Driver dot find elements. This will return us the multiple elements object. So we can use here for each loop to to navigate the list. Element dot get text. Okay, so now here I will get the one elements text, means first element English, and this will print us all the elements object after size. Okay, let me run now. You can see this is returning the complete text. This returns the only the English. Okay, and this is returning all the 10 elements text. Okay, this complete English, and then these are articles values. So driver dot find elements, this return the multiple elements object as a list, and this will return as the single element object. Okay, now next, what will happen when the element is not present on the page? What we will get? Let me show some example. Now I am giving uh, like wrong element locators. So this element locator will not present on the UI on the page. So what we will get? Let me show you. Yeah, here we will get the no such element, unable to locate the element of this. So we are getting no such element exception when the element is not present on the page. Okay, and what will happen if we are using the driver dot find element? Let me show you. Okay, I am passing the wrong locator. Let me run out. Yes, so here in that case, we are not getting any exception. What we will get, if the element is not present on the page, we will get the blank list. Okay, it means this will not return any element object, and if I try to print the elements dot size, then this will give us the 0 element. Okay, so this is a very important thing. What is the difference between the driver dot find element and what is the driver dot find elements? So driver dot find elements will return first element object, while driver dot find elements will return the all the elements object as a list. Okay, so in case if the element is not present on the page, we will get the exception in driver dot find element, but in driver dot find elements case, we will get the empty list. Okay, thanks for watching the video.